Hi, I'm Alison from the Brentwood School's Christian Worker Trust. Here is one of our wonderful Bible story bites. A story all about a shepherd and a lost sheep. I hope you enjoy it.
Hi everyone, my name's Lucy. Oh, I'm a bit sad today. I've lost my favourite toy. Oh. Have you seen my brother Josh? I'm hoping he can help me find my toy. Shall we call him? After 3. 1, 2, 3, Josh! And again. 1, 2, 3, Josh!
Hi everyone. Hi Lucy. Oh dear, Lucy's crying. What's wrong, Lucy?
I've lost my favourite toy!
What sort of toy is it?
It's a cuddly sheep. He's called Stefan. He's so soft and snuggly, but I can't find him anywhere.
Oh, poor Lucy. Shall I help you find him?
Yes, please, Josh. Where shall we look first?
Let's look this way.
Can you see him?
No. Let's look this way.
Is he there?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, poor Stefan! Where is he?
Lucy, I think I can see something.
Is it Stefan? Is it Stefan?
Oh look, here's Stefan.
Oh, Stefan! I'm so glad I found you! Oh, thanks so much, Josh.
That's okay, Lucy.
I'm so happy now! Shall we celebrate at home later because Stefan is found?
Sounds good, Lucy.
You know what, Josh?
What?
Jesus told a story about a man who lost a sheep. We can read it in the Bible. I think the man felt a bit like me when I lost Sheepy.
What happened in Jesus' story, Lucy?
Well, there was a shepherd who had 100 sheep.
Wow. That's a lot of sheep.
Yes, it is. But one night, one of his sheep went missing.
Oh, no! What did the shepherd do?
Straight away, the shepherd went to look for his lost sheep.
Did he find the lost sheep?
Well, he searched everywhere, but at last he found the sheep. He carried it on his shoulders.
Like this? Wow! Did the shepherd drop the sheep?
No, he carried it safely home.
Wow, I think the shepherd felt really happy when he found his sheep.
Yes, he was happy. Just like when I was happy when Stefan was found. He was so happy, he invited all his friends to a party.
Wow, he must have been really happy to have a party for just finding one sheep.
Yes! In the Bible story, Jesus said that God is happy too when anybody comes to him and wants to be his friend.
Wow, that's cool. Shall we go home now?
Yes! Come on! Bye everyone!
Bye, see you soon.
Bye!
I hope that you enjoyed the Bible story. Have you ever lost anything? Like a sheep down a sofa or coins in the kitchen? How did you feel? Why do you think that the shepherd went to look for the one sheep when he had 99 others? Christians believe that God is like that shepherd and that he loves and cares for each one of us. Hope to see you soon. Bye.